Look at this, guys. It's complimentary. Really. So you just get this thing here and you, in theory, plug here and should charge. Oh. Okay. I believe it's charging. Yeah. For free. Oh. Charging. For free? Okay, I started to like EVs then. Wow. Unexpected. Really cool. Is it always like this?
I think so for hotels.
Okay. In hotels like that? So first charge stopped here. There's this BMW charging. So let's see how it works. So good morning. Me as a first timer for electric vehicles, yesterday I must confess I was a little bit nervous because like 10-15 minutes and the battery went down like 10%, but I left it charging and it should be full time. Nothing bad happened. Let's see. We'll just disconnect here. Let's see how simple it is. Power fault. Great, it's not that easy. You see? Oh shit. Oh, I think I need to open the car maybe. Let's see. Oh, maybe there is that. Right? Man, the keys are complicated. Jeez, I don't see anything in this key. It's like hard to see. Okay. Okay, I opened the car, maybe that's why. Didn't want me to remove it. Let's see. Oh yeah, that's it. It has a security thing. That was another one of my questions, right? If it's safe or not to leave the car charging. So it seems that there is a lock there. Oh, sure, right? There will be. Let's see. Okay. Okay. Again, back to 100. 100% to 60 miles is the range if you drive nicely. I don't. But the pickup of this car, Jesus Christ, it's amazing. So guys, let's talk a little bit about this car. So as you can see, fully charged is 260 miles. In reality, a little bit less. Então, esse carro aqui, a gente vai falar dele. A autonomia dele é de 260 milhas. Multiplica por 1.6 aí, vai dar uns 400 km, algo assim. Não é ruim. But the problem is, first, you see, it's a plastic sticker showing the Polestar 2 name of the car. It sounded weird. I thought it was kind of a Chinese brand that is producing electric cars, but I went to research and it's a Volvo. It's a Volvo company. Maybe they're doing something else because Volvo also has electric hybrid cars. Anyways, eu achei que era um carro Xing Ling chinês, porque tem um stickerzinho de plástico ali, né, e tal. Não, é um Volvo, cara. É um Volvo. A Volvo tem carro elétrico, mas eles devem estar fazendo alguma coisa diferente com esse aqui. Well, as you can see, one of the things that for me is a little bit challenging is you have just like touchscreen kind of interaction with the car, and when you are like trying to use the AC and then the radio and then the GPS all combined and it's all in one screen, it gets confusing. It gets really confusing because you don't have the analog real knobs to kind of play with it, okay? Uma das coisas que eu achei bem esquisito é que tu não tem os botões de rádio, de volume, de controle, na mão de ar-condicionado, é tudo nas telas, e às vezes tu tem que fazer duas coisas ao mesmo tempo, fica bem confuso, tem que fazer o switch, né? Tem que ficar mudando de tela, então isso é complicado. But one nice thing is that you can, in certain places like hotels and stuff, or you can charge for free. And during the night, it charges with no problem. It's like 10% every hour, I would say, at least, kind of like that in a regular powerful charger. Ele carrega uns 10% por hora ali e tal. So overnight, it will charge fully, even if it's empty, like 8 hours. I think it's more or less that. I didn't wait to see, but it charges. But during the day, it's frustrating because you see the battery going down, 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 and okay, I need to charge, I don't know where. First timers like me, it's a little bit tense, but after some time you kind of get used to it. But you're always worried about where to charge your car. That's what frustrates me. But the interior is nice. The outside is beautiful. It reminded me kind of a Volvo. O interior é bem bonito, tem puta teto solar. Ele me lembrou meio que Volvo. Por isso que eu não fiquei tão surpreso quando eu descobri que era Volvo. It is really, really strange the way it drives for the ones that are not used to electric cars, because you barely use the brakes, because the car brakes for you every time you remove, take a look, your foot from the throttle. It dramatically reduced the speed. It's not as progressive as a gasoline car. Why? Because it's using the brakes to recover energy. Então é muito engraçado que você quase não usa o pedal de freio, né? Porque no momento que tu tira o pé do acelerador pro seu carro elétrico, ele começa a usar os freios para regenerar a bateria. It's kind of strange, but not bad. It is super fast, as you can see here. Take a look. It is insane. Is it faster than the cheaper model of the Tesla? No. Ele é muito rápido, mas ainda não é mais rápido que o modelo barato da Tesla. The Tesla, I don't remember, Model 3, I think. Anyways, it has a really funky start. It starts really progressive. It seems that you don't have an engine, and then it kicks in, and then it becomes more dynamic and nimble and aggressive. Ele tem começo bem retardado, assim, devagarzinho, ele retarda a aceleração e aí depois vai. Would I buy a Tesla 3 or this Polestar 2? No. And I'll give you the reasons. Eu não compraria Tesla ou Polestar. I think the battery technology is not there yet, okay? It will be. And people say, oh, it's green. No, it's not really green when your greed comes from coal. Então eu não ia comprar esses carros porque é difícil de abastecer, de recarregar. Ele tem uma dinâmica diferente dos nossos carros a gasolina. O range, né, a autonomia é muito curta. E eu vou ser honesto, eles não são tão eco-friendly, amigos da natureza, assim, porque quando a sua energia elétrica não vem de fonte renovável, não adianta nada nenhum, ele continua sendo feito de borracha e de petróleo, material de petróleo. E eu acabei de errar na rua, mas foda-se. Então, não tá ainda, a tecnologia de bateria não tá ainda. If we had batteries that could be replaced instantly in like 5 seconds, it's okay, but in a long run, you need to wait 4 to 6, 8 hours to charge your car. It's not realistic. It doesn't work. This car, it has around like 300 something horsepower. I need to check, but it gives you the sensation of much more because of the torque line is straight. And I would say that they need to work on something else, like not hydrogen cells, but actually combustion hydrogen engines. That would be more feasible. It's eco-friendly, and you just stop, refuel, and you're ready to go. So no, it's not there yet. Não tá lá ainda. Eles tinham que trabalhar não com célula de hidrogênio, mas queima de hidrogênio como combustível. Aí ia ser melhor, tá? Mas a gente não tá lá ainda, infelizmente. Então, eu vou dizer, se pudesse trocar bateria num segundinho, tem algumas tecnologias que eles estão tentando desenvolver para isso, ia funcionar, mas Honestly, guys, no. The car is really heavy in the bottom as expected because of the batteries. And it's solid. It drives solid. You feel much more like a Model 3, kind of heavy, but less dynamic than the Model 3. And like for instance, I just started to record this video with you. 7 minutes, I already went down 2% of my battery. Então eu acabei de começar a dirigir, já 7 minutos que eu tô gravando o vídeo, já baixou 2% da bateria. Esse carro é bem menos ágil que o Model 3 da Tesla. É legal, é sólido, bem pesado na base por causa das baterias, como é de se esperar. Mas ele é muito duro, cara, muito duro. Ele pica, cara, em asfalto com buraco. E ele não é uma delícia de curva, assim, apesar de que deveria ser, porque o centro de gravidade é baixo. The car is also not fantastic because of grip, not because of the gravity, center of gravity that is below, but the grip, this one is front wheel drive, and it really tries to like let the front go, and that doesn't give you a good sensation. It's not like tight and glued to the tarmac. And so I would say for now, I don't think it's the time for me to buy an electric. A hybrid, yes, but when they come with a better solution for lithium batteries and other things, okay. But it's nice for you to see the car, you know what I mean? Por enquanto eu não ia comprar esse carro de forma alguma. Ele é rápido, poderoso e tal. Mas quando eles inventarem uma tecnologia de bateria de lítio melhor, ou mesmo usar o hidrogênio como combustível, aí eu vou pensar numa coisa mais friendly com a natureza. Oh, and one thing that is important, I was discussing with my father, the Porsche company is developing a fuel that first it can be coming from non-fossil, non-renewable sources, and even one that would pollute like up to 10 times less than gasoline. So that is a great solution too. A Porsche está desenvolvendo um sistema de gasolina que vai poluir 10 vezes menos que a gasolina, tá? Uma nova gasolina aí sintética e tal, com umas outras tecnologias. Porra, aí sim, aí funciona. Mas é isso. For now, no electric cars for me. I like the sound of the V8s. Por enquanto, sem carro elétrico para mim, eu gosto do som dos V8. Another thing that it's important, forget about 4 people sitting inside a car. It's impossible. It's literally impossible. It's a 2-seater with 1-2 kids with really short legs there. And there is no room. Uma coisa que é muito importante, não tem espaço para 4 pessoas nesse carro. Esquece isso. Esquece. É 2 pessoas plus. Criancinha pequenininha ali com perna curta no fundo do carro. É muito, muito apertado. Tá? Então, fica a dica. E não dá pra ver nada atrás do carro, né? O espelho retrovisor é muito apertado. It's really hard to see anything through the mirror. It's almost impossible. It's too narrow, too high. But then you have this. O Stangão já ficou pra trás lá. É muito rápido. Olha aí. É muito rápido. Ele anda. E não tem barulho nenhum, né? Ó. Ele empurra demais, cara. Não tem Mustang que segure ele. That's it, guys. Kisses.